Online menswear retailer Frank & Oak recently opened a fully integrated concept shop right here in Toronto. Patrick Reynolds went to check it out.
Menswear fashion has come a long way. Isn't that right, Ethan?
That's right. I want you to kind of try this. I think it's a little bit athletic. It's gonna look good on you.
You know, we started Frank & Oak, Isham and I, we're actually friends from high school. And the whole idea was to create a brand that was both really cool clothes that are affordable and also us being an advisor. So like kind of helping you to dress better. We do a monthly collection and we add content to that. And like when you combine the product and content, it's like a magazine, but that you can shop.
Right, so it's online.
It's online. So far, you know, all of our customers are online. We have lots of customers, California and Texas and New York, and of course here in Toronto.
So why did you open this store, this new concept store?
It's really I would say, a physical embodiment of our brand. It has a big functionality to it. People can come in and have a coffee, can get a haircut, and of course, shop our clothes.
In the past 3 or 4 years, we really saw a movement around heritage clothing, right? So going back to kind of traditional clothing. Well, now it's really evolving out of that, right? So we got clothing here that are anchored in heritage, but are actually more contemporary and modern styling. So I think that it's a very adventurous time for men right now.